This lesson is to write an equation of a line. And to write an equation of a line, we will use the form y equals mx plus b form. So we will use the slope-intercept form. So just quickly reviewing again, m stands for slope and b stands for y-intercept. Okay, so we are going to now look how we can create an equation of a line graphically as well as algebraically. So let's quickly go over graphically. Last week we did different types of graphing. Now here you can choose to do whatever kind of graphing you choose, but the best and the most convenient form of graphing would be the slope-intercept form. So in this case, we don't have a y-intercept. We have a slope 4 over 3. We have a slope 4 over 3, and it passes through the point 3, 2. So we will start by graphing our point first. So point 3, 2, where would that be? That would be 3 right, 2 up. So our point 3, 2 is right here. Now from here, we are going to plot slope. M equals 4 over 3. So that means from this point, we're going to go 4 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 right. 1, 2, 3. So our next point would be right here. Now you can do the same pattern on the other side, but remember to go on the other side, we do the opposite. We go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left 3, 1, 2, 3. So now these are our 3 points. I think 3 points are good enough for you to graph. So using this, graph your straight line using a ruler, and remember to end the line with arrows. So now from here, we have m is 4 over 3, and b, we can see from the graph, is negative 2. It's b equals negative 2. So therefore, the equation of the line would be y equals 4 over 3x minus 2. So we have found the equation graphically. Now we are going to do the same thing algebraically. For algebraically, you're not provided any graph, so you have to use only algebra. So using algebra, let's see. Based on the information that's given to us, we will have our equation will be y equals 4 over 3x plus b. Now we are missing b in our equation. Now since the graph is passing through the point 3, 2, we are going to use this point to solve for b. Now for any point, the first coordinate is x and the second coordinate is y. So that means this x can be replaced with the 3 and the y can be replaced with the 2. So using that, what will we get? So we will have 2 equals 4 over 3 times x is 3 plus b. So now let's simplify and solve for b. This becomes 2 equals, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So this becomes 12 over 3. 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 3 plus b. So we will have 2 equals 12 divided by 3 is 4 plus b. And so from here, b equals 2 minus 4. That makes b equals negative 2. So from this, our equation turns out to y equals, slope was 4 over 3x and y-intercept is negative 2. And if you look on the left side, we have the same equation which we did by graphing it. So if you didn't understand the lesson, I highly recommend you re-watch this video again before you move on.